RSI 14 is 44 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Cinedigm Corporation stock downgraded to strong sell candidate updated on December 24, 2020. Sell candidate since December 24, 2020. The Cinedigm Corporation stock price fell by -1.52% on the last day, Thursday, December 24, 2020, from 65 cents to 64 cents and has now fallen 9 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 9.89% from a day low at 64 cents to a day high of 70 cents. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -22.99% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -6 million shares and in total, 10 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.42 million. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 57 cents is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 31.35% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 76 cents and $1.19 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecasts. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Cinedigm Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at 73 cents and 65 cents. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, December 14, 2020, and so far it has fallen -27.19%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 60 cents and 56 cents. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Cinedigm Corporation finds support just below today's level at 60 cents. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at 56 cents and 55 cents. 60 cents, 64 cents, 66 cents. This stock may move very much during a day volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 6 cents between high and low, or 9.89%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 9.27%. Our recommended stop loss: we hold a negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Cinedigm Corporation stock a buy? The Cinedigm Corporation stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Cinedigm Corporation will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of the stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a strong sell candidate. Current score, -5.911. Predicted opening price for Cinedigm Corporation of Monday, December 28, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 2,